So Gurdeep was having an issue, and I hope it's resolved. He hasn't messaged since, but he was having an issue where it seemed the department IMMI checklist wasn't letting him upload his documentation to the sponsorship section of his visa application. So, just to explain what I mean here, in the IMMI portal, in the visa application checklist, there's the visa applicant options, and then you see that there's also the sponsors options. And what he was saying was that there was an issue with trying to upload documents here to the sponsors half of the checklist, let's say, and also he was having problems in the sponsorship form. So the IMMI sponsorship form, which was also submitted, which everyone should submit. And that also has the checklist for the sponsor. These are the same guys, identical. He was having problems here too, and I said, look, that's a technical issue with the department's system. I could recommend, logging out, refreshing your cache, logging back in, resetting your computer, plugging your modem off at the wall, leaving it for 10 minutes, turning it back on, and seeing if it fixes the issue. Otherwise, you can submit a technical error request with the department and let them know. Or if that still doesn't resolve the issue, then you can always upload it to a miscellaneous category here. Even though it's under the applicant checklist, it doesn't matter. It's going to get to the case officer. It's still going to be considered. Just make sure though, if you're going to do that, that your documents are renamed correctly. So anything that relates to the sponsor, let's say their passport, right? So it's going to be sponsor. This is how you would rename it. Sponsor, let's say their AFP character, AFP, and then their name, Daniel. Cut out the whiteboard, but that's a sponsor character AFP Daniel, and then you're uploading that to the visa checklist, because you can't upload it anywhere else because you're having problems.